Hello DIYers. Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do PM service for generator. This is an 88 kVA diesel generator. We are going to do the routine service. Let's do it together. Disconnect the bat tray terminals. Use 16mm socket and drain the engine oil. Replace the air cleaner. Clean the dust in the filter housing. In this generator, the edge of the filter housing broken. We are locking it opposite. Make sure you guys lock them in the right position. The water separator is clean. I'm not going to remove it. Replace the fuel filter. Use something at the bottom of filter housing and drain the fuel from filter housing. Replace the O-ring and tighten the filter housing as much possible with your hands. Remove the pipe from high pressure side, attach a pipe to the high pressure side of the filter housing, insert the other side of the pipe in a gallon. Connect the battery terminals, select the engine fuel prime, turn it on until you see the diesel is coming out through the pipe in high pressure. In this control module, engine fuel prime is not available. As you can see, it is locked. I have to bypass the fuel solenoid and the prime pump. This is the fuel control relay that I have to disconnect it. Make sure the wires are not short the control side of the relay. If you are not certain, please use multimeter. Now bypass the circuit and watch closer until see the diesel. Just saw the diesel is flowing. Connect the injection pump's pipe to the filter housing. Loosen the oil filter and remove it carefully, the same procedure as fuel filter. We are using 15W40 engine oil. The weather is pretty warm here. Fill the new filter with engine oil and lubricate the O-ring. Use filter removal and tight it well. At the last, tight the drain bolt and make sure always check the O-ring. Insert a funnel and now fill the engine oil, and how much need to be filled depend on your engine. If you are not sure, check the user manual of your generator. Wipe the dipstick and check the engine oil level. If it is not level, add little more. Remove the fan guard. Inspect the belt and radiator. If the radiator is dirty, please wash by water pressure machine. This radiator is clean, I'm not gonna wash it. Wipe the engine and clean any drop of engine oil. The service done. Next service will be after 250 running hours. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you up, please don't forget hit the subscription button and notification bell.